Hello, welcome to Skill Up. If this is your first time of coming across my videos, please do subscribe and also press the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see it. And also, please do like these videos and also share it with your friends for those who are interested so that they can also benefit from this video. All right, in today's video, for those of us that are into forex trading, you want to build a robot that can help you trade. There are some persons who sell robots for a huge amount. Instead of you paying such huge amount to buy robots for trading, you can actually create your own robot. Yes, you can actually create your own robot. You can create a robot that can trade gold. You can create a robot that can trade any currency pairs. So, guys, if this sound interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Click the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video like this, you will get to be notified. Alright guys, let's dive into our tutorial for today. Alright guys, to create a trading robot, the first thing you need to do is to add on to ChatGPT. Now, here we are going to create a code. We don't need to start writing code. We just have to give ChatGPT a prompt. So the ChatGPT will write the code for us. So we're just going to tell ChatGPT the kind of robot that we actually want. So add on to ChatGPT and you're going to write this prompt. You're going to write this prompt on ChatGPT. All right. Now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write a prompt for me that a prompt that will be used to create a trading a trading or I'll write a prompt that will be used to create a forex trading robot. All right, just give ChatGPT that prompt. Write a prompt that will be used to create a forex trading robot for euro USD. Now you can depending on the currency pair that you want to a robot for. Now I'm just giving ChatGPT this prompt to create a prompt for me. The reason why I'm asking ChatGPT to create a prompt for me is that I don't want to make any mistake, because if you make any mistake on the prompt, your robot might not be smart enough. So I have told ChatGPT to create a prompt, and this same prompt I'm still going to give ChatGPT that same prompt so that it can generate this the code. All right. Now this prompt should be detailed enough, so that is why I'm taking my time to make sure that I give it the necessary idea of the kind of robot it's going to create. All right, so we'll wait for it to come. All right, now ChatGPT has come with this whole bunch of ideas. Let's look at it. Please, you take your time to go through it very well so that you know if it's really what you want. You should know if it's really what you want. If not, you are going to make your correction. Now it's asking. You say I'm a professional, and so It depends. You can create for a basic or a beginner. If you're a beginner, you want a robot for trading, you can do that. Now you can see every instruction. It's not just creating a robot. When you create a robot, there are instructions that ChatGPT will give you, like this robot. This robot uses the RSI 14. Then okay, it uses the RSI 14, 50, 50, buy 50, sell 50, and EMA. So you must go through this prompt very well. You go through it, very take your time to go through it. Don't be in a rush. Just take your time, go through it, and make necessary corrections. So we'll wait for ChatGPT to generate everything. As we wait for ChatGPT, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press that notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see it. And also, please share this video so that others can also benefit from it. As you can see, we're taking our time. We're taking our time to really go through what ChatGPT has produced. We don't want to make any mistake in our robot. Now, after going through it, and you see that it is really what you want, you're going to copy that this whole bunch of idea that ChatGPT has produced. You're going to copy all and prompt ChatGPT to produce this robot for you. Now, as you can see, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to generate the boat in a zip file. It's going to put it on a zip file. You can actually do that yourself. You can watch my video where I teach how you can put code, or where you can put code in a zip file. All right, we've already told ChatGPT to put in a zip file, and ChatGPT will do well to put everything in a zip file. As you can see, it has already generated it. See, download the MT4 trading robot. So we are going to download that into our machine. We're going to download into your system by just clicking on that particular download. Now this robot we have created can only be used on an MT4 platform. It will not work on MT5 platform. So you must be follow instruction. If you are creating for an MT5, if you are putting your prompt, make sure that you are prompting ChatGPT to create a robot that can work on MT5. So this particular robot can work on MT4, and it can only be used for Euro USD. So we have downloaded a zip file. So the next thing you do after downloading your zip file is to head over to your trading platform. Now, if you don't have a trading platform, you first of all have to download your trading platform, and you can download your trading platform when you can download your trading platform from any broker of your choice. So just download a trading platform before you can, so that you can be able to install this particular robot into that platform that you want to actually use. All right, we have downloaded a zip file. So the next thing we'll do, you go over to your download and copy that particular zip you've created. Then go to your platform, your trading platform. So first of all, we have to go to, okay, this is the zip file that we downloaded. So you're going to, you might choose to unzip it. You can unzip it before installing, or you can actually just install with the zip. It works like that. You can actually install with the just the zip, just install the zip into the platform. All right, but if you want to extract it, just go ahead, click on it, and click on the extract button, and it will extract. You can see we have our extracted file there. We have an extracted file. Click on it, and you open that particular folder. So you click on the folder to open it. You see that's our robot there. That's our robot. Now you can copy it. Then go to your platform. Go to your platform. Then you're going to click on file. Then click on open data folder. Click on open data folder. Then you're going to click on, when your data folder is opened, you're going to click on MQL4. Click on MQL4. Then click on expert. Then you can paste your robot here. You can paste your robot here. Now these are a robot that came with this particular platform. There are some brokers, they give you robots that you can trade with. So we have created our own, and so you just go ahead, copy your robot, go back to that particular place and paste it there. So guys, if you have any question, or you are confused, or there are questions you want to ask as regard this bot or robot, you can write on the comment section. Write on the comment section, and I will be glad to respond to your comment. All right, we'll paste our file and go ahead and refresh your system, and your file is there. I'll do a video where I'll teach you how to make your setup before you can start using your robot. There are some instructions that were given by ChatGPT. So those are instructions, you will follow it strictly. If not, your bot may not be accurate. So I'll make a video. Please make sure you watch that video where I'll teach you how to do your setup so that you start trading with your robot. All right, please guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. See you in my next video.